Every cell in my body calls your name. Fires ignite, nothing stays the same. The animal inside now roars to life. Cages dissolve, freedom inside. The postman guide, our rhythms align. Threads of gold, your hand in mine. Every spark you let, I carry inside. No shadows linger when our worlds collide. Every cell, every breath, every vein, breaking every chain, we feel the flame. No cages now, we dance, we run. Wild and free, we emerge in the sun. Touch like lightning, breath like flame, bodies entwined, electric flame. Scar tissue glows where we once were torn, now reborn, alive in morning's warm. Fingers tangle, we ignite the night. Bodies in metal, alive in light. Ever see a man bid where we once were torn? Together we rise, awake and sworn. Every sound, every breath, every vein, breaking every chain, we feel the flame. No cages now, we dance, we run. Wild and free, we emerge in the sun. As you, I am alive, I am renewed through shadow and frost.